Hello, in this lesson we learn how to rotate UCS coordinate. Now I am in drafting an annotation to the modeling. Turn on ortho mode and go to the line. As you can see, because ortho is on, okay, you can draw perpendicular, vertical line easily. And now imagine we want to draw a vertical line from here. So perpendicular to this line, or we want to draw a perpendicular line to this line. So you can click on XY coordinate and move and align. Make sure your ortho mode is off because it doesn't go to that particular point. Ortho mode off and snap here. Now you have your XY axis here, and you can click on this dot and align this to this line. Okay, now your XY is here. So by the way, you make sure that in your O snap endpoint is checked marks. Now again, turn on your ortho mode and go to line. Now you can start and draw easily the line that is perpendicular to this line. Good luck.